Hello, my name is Rosa Rodas, and today I'll be talking about the Helianthus annuus, which is commonly known as the common sunflower, which is really not that common. The Helianthus, or sunflower, is a genus of plants that comprises of various species. The Helianthus annuus is usually a very tall plant, which can measure up to be 1.5 feet tall. Approximately has 15 to 25 long leaves, which vary from colors. Some are yellow, some are red, some are brown, depending on the type of species you are looking at. At the bud stage, the Helianthus annuus exhibits heliotropism, which is the growth of a plant in response to sunlight. This usually stops at its blooming stage. The Helianthus annuus approximately lives over a year, because the Helianthus family are annuals. So when fall comes around, they start to die, the leaves turn brown, and their stalk turns brown as well. The Helianthus annuus belongs to the Asteraceae family, which is known to be the largest family of flowering plants. The Helianthus annuus also belongs to the Plantae kingdom, which a lot of flowers come from there. For example, the green algae, as we know. It's also a vascular organism, which consists of conducting tissue. Also, the plant is a eukaryotic, multicellular plant, contains membrane-bound organelles. The Helianthus annuus is related to annuals, perennials, stem, vines, shrubs, and trees as well. The way the Helianthus reproduces is sexually, and it uses the alternation of generations, which develops haploid and diploid cells. Pollination is a main factor in its cycle. It relies really heavy on pollen movement between plants and insects. Without any pollen, cross-fertilization cannot occur, and the Helianthus annuus cannot reproduce anymore. The Helianthus annuus is an autotroph due to the fact that it's a plant and it makes its own food via photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is using the energy from the sun to produce sugars, which cellular respiration uses to create ATP, which is that energy that fuels the plant. During this stage, the xylem transports the waters and minerals that are coming through the root, and the phloem transports the sugar that is being produced during photosynthesis. The Helianthus annuus, its habitat consists of dry, open, and prairie areas. It likes to be in very open spaces. The Helianthus annuus is located throughout North America, northern Mexico, central Canada, and many European countries. In Russia, it's also cultivated, and they use this plant for the cultivation of sunflower oil. The Helianthus annuus is also very tolerant to high and low temperatures. Its range is around 70 to 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Here we have a map, and we can see here it's a big where they live in North America. That's where long ago they were discovered in North America. And as we see, they spread out starting in South America, Africa, and European countries, even in Australia. So there's a variety of Helianthus annuus all over the world, so you can find them anywhere. And the Helianthus annuus is really a bright flower, experiences a lot of colors, and there's very many species you can choose from, so you have a variety to choose from.